Good to see friend again. Today I'm going to share how can you fix Windows 11 start menu source bar is not working, and you can find out here are some quick and effective solution to fix it. Just follow this step by step, and I'm going to give you the example also, right? Now first what you have to do is we have to restart Windows search service. Okay, how can you do that? Just press Win+R and type services.msc, then enter. Okay, press Win+R key from the keyboard, type there services.msc and just enter. And here we have to search Windows source, right? Press W to find out fast. Windows search. Here is the Windows source, right? Just go to properties, and this automatic start type should be automatic, and click stop and start. Apply. Okay, or we can restart from here. This should be running, right? Now next method is that restart Windows Explorer. We have to restart Windows Explorer. Just press Ctrl+Shift+S to open the text manager, and here you have to find Windows Explorer. You can press W to find out quick. Yeah, here is Windows Explorer, right? Just right click and restart it. Now third option is that reveal the search index. How can you do that? Simply press Win+I key to open the setting. Then have to go to privacy and security option. Then have to go to sourcing windows. Here is sourcing windows, click here. Then after you have to go to the more search index setting. Scroll down. Here is the advanced indexing option, just click here. Then after you have to click the advanced and just click the revealed and click OK, and indexing complete here, and just close it. Now first setting is that you can run the troubleshooter, source troubleshooter. Press Win+I key and go to the troubleshooter setting here, and go to other troubleshooter, and here find out search. I can't find your source and indexing troubleshooter. If you find, then just run, click the run. Okay, this is the first step, and fifth step is just run the PowerShell fix, right? PowerShell fix. Just right click in the start menu and open terminal as admin. Click H. And after just copy here the commands. It will be in the description box also. Just paste here and hit enter. It's working, right? It takes a minute. complete this process. Then I will just press exit. Okay, this is one nice trick to fix the source bar not working in Windows 11. And now 6 is that you can restart Cortana process. If you find the Cortana in your task manager, simply Ctrl Shift Escape fresh from the keyboard and search your Cortana. In my case here is not Cortana has been disabled. If you find Cortana, then you can just click there Cortana and click the end tags. Right. Now next is the install the latest Windows driver. Simply press Windows I key to open the setting. Here you can find a Windows update and just click check for updates and keep your Windows up to date. Right. Now final option is that if above all solution couldn't work, the final option is that you can create a new user profile. Right. How can I do that? There is a very simple step. Okay, you can create from setting also. So I then after go to setting and go to accounts, and here is my account, and you should click on all the users and you can add new local user here. Okay. If this asks your Microsoft account, then there is next method. Press Windows R to have lusrmgr.msc, hit enter, and right click and go to users and right click and create a new user here. Test. Check this to mark and create, and so you can create you can create another user very easily. Press and press L key and log in from that test user and try Windows 11 source bar working or not, friend. Okay friend, if this trick worked in your laptop, then let me know in the comment box. And if you faced any types of issues, then after just comment in the comment box, and I'm here to respond to that comment. And friends, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.